think Kampala is a city that's growing really fast, and for this workshop we chose to look at markets, specifically downtown Kampala. We looked at Nakasero Market, walked through Chiembe Lane up to the taxi park and Uganda Market. We asked students to take a really close look at how the market works and think of ways to represent the intangible conditions that are in the market.
Doreen and I had a great collaboration. I think she structured a workshop that fit really nicely with the kinds of issues we were interested in Johannesburg, and was able to situate those in relationship to Kampala.
Downtown Kampala is really interesting, and kind of seeing how the different dynamics between people, culture, and transit kind of intersect within the different market structures.
In the market in downtown, there is a big sense of community, and everyone really knows each other that works there, and they know most of their customers that are coming in. So it was pretty interesting seeing the reaction to all of us new people coming into the area.
It's a place that I usually pass by but do not take time to observe. But this idea of a workshop within which you have a field situation of looking and experiencing and taking time to observe, there are many things that you get to start to learn and see, because you are interacting with people, you are seeing what they are doing, you're seeing these situations where KCCA is coming and taking their goods, and then you're seeing this situation when it's raining and people are seeking shade. So seeing how people are using the space is quite interesting as part of the observation.
Looking at what students can produce in a very limited amount of time is quite amazing, because they captured the essence of what Nakasero Market actually is. And it's something that a lot of people struggle with, because it's a space that many people are afraid of, many people find quite disturbing, and others actually find scary. So when students who have not really engaged with that sort of environment go in there and come up with the information that they did, is quite amazing in the short amount of time.
I guess what I'm excited about with this workshop is seeing how they're not designing anything, they're just observing and documenting. And so I'm excited to see how, after a month of drawing unfamiliar cities, that we'll see their kind of creativity and insights come through in those drawings.
The workshop has been a great experience, interacting with the students from Washington University and seeing things from their perspective in terms of urban planning, urban design has been really insightful.
As an educator, I find that such projects are very valuable because they bring in this new element of starting to think about people. Many times architects think about materials, climate, the logistics, but to think about people and to start to understand these little idiosyncrasies that make communities move forward, this is our backbone for a good architect.
I'm hoping that 1 week charrette would give them skills. When they go back to the studio, they're now equipped with new way of thinking, new techniques in terms of drawings. And I'm hoping that this type of exchange between local students and international students could continue to happen, because it could really impact the way we learn and the way we see the city.